Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the CPR, very narrow CPR indicator, which I have already created, the scanner that was available on my premium group. Now I'm going to discuss about some modification of my student who are acquiring so that we can try in this video. And that particular scanner, Narrow Cpr, let me find out Hindustan Unilever and Ashok Leyland, which is forming a very tight narrow CPR for tomorrow. Based on our scanner, we find out this is what our scanner, the CPR, very tight range. So we are using the close into 0.001. So very tight range. So let me check first that the scanner is working. So Ashok Leyland, I have added Ashok Leyland. You can look at this TCPC. Everything was merged together and forming a very tight CPR range. Okay, so that is what a narrow CPR which you are looking for. And maybe we are looking for rejection or breakdown below S1 or R1 rejection, something we can plan. So based on this scanner, so we find out simply that particular scanner it forming a very tight range of CPR. Okay, so this is one which filtered, and the second one is we find out is about Hindustan Unilever. So let me find out Hindustan Unilever. That's one more stock tomorrow. So this stock which forming a narrow CPR for tomorrow, that is also be a very tight in a range. So if you want to modify this and you can increase those values, that will give you much more stocks. You can see ONGC and ITC also. You can look for. So you need to filter out how many percentage or the stocks which you got it, so that you can change over. This is also be a very tight range in ITC also. Tomorrow we can plan on this stock and something like ONGC and Ramco Cements. So you can adjust. That's why we are making that change over. So you can adjust the number to get more. Okay. So what we are looking for tomorrow is the narrow CPR and the rejection pricing. So this is the scanner which we are simply filtering out for tomorrow's one. Okay. So what we are going to plan, if you are checking that the current day should be the narrow CPR, and you can look for the price rejection. Okay. The price rejection I will share you. So some idea which I am going to develop here. So this is what a scanner already we have created. So what I can modify here, simply one day ago top central and one day ago bottom central and one day ago. So everything if you are changing one day ago, that always showing you in the current day scenario. So if I'm going to change that level, you will easily find out what are the stocks today's narrow CPR. So okay, so this is what a live market you can run the scanner. So today ICICI general insurance. So let me check ICICI GI today. ICICI general insurance today narrow CPR. You can get it. So it is forming a today very tight CPR. And if you want to more stocks, I already told you you can adjust the number to get more stocks. So I not only ICICI having today. So what we are going to plan here, the same like that. This is the real one. What we are looking for the scanner for a live trading. Okay, so it will be working on a live market. So maybe if you are tomorrow checking, you will be finding those stocks like Ashok Leyland and what we got it for tomorrow. So, but if you are changing this condition, this is going to tell you our live market scanner. So previously, which I seen or which I shown is about to find the stocks for tomorrow. It is a live market. So here I'm going to find out. Yesterday we have a lot of stocks if we are using Titan. Okay, MR of ONGC. Titan. Just we are going to check that. Titan date is around 23rd. So here we don't have a 23rd, only 2 days. So I will use a previous one. Yeah, 23rd, you can look at this. This is what a 23rd one. Okay, so it looks like a narrow CPR, but rejection doesn't happen at R1 and S1. So what we are going to plan here, So if any stock which breaks below the R1 or reject from the breaks below S1 or reject from the R1, something like which you can go for. So very tight range it can be possible either the side. Okay, so let me add some conditions here, like a breakout. So we can go for a breakout. Here is the breakdown at this moment, and then this is another moment which you are looking for a breakdown. Very smaller stop loss which I'm going to plan here. So initially I can look for a R1 rejection. So okay, just I need to create that R1 breakout and a rejection after an narrow CPR. Okay, so we can use a subgroup filters versus in futures. Okay, so this condition will satisfied, then we will be getting. So maybe around 15 minutes we can do. So 1 day ago. So this is what a scanner condition 1 day ago. 1 day ago you need to use, and it is a live scanner. Okay, so tomorrow. So here you can use the subgroup filters and add open. You can use a 15 minutes. 15 minutes open greater than 2 minutes close. Close greater than uh, R4, no? R1. CPR R1. CPR resistance 1. 1 day ago. 1 day ago CPR resistance close greater than open. So we'll find out a breakout one. So we'll try any stock which we got it. Here you can see at the 20th, Nakuri 11:15. Okay. It's the CPR is a very tight, and this may be 11:15 candle started below and closed above to the high, which we can focus for a breakout. Okay, so that is what I'm just planning here, breakout. So one more subgroup filter which I can add better here, subgroup filters is for a breakout as well as breakdown. Same condition. 15 minutes close greater than CBR and open less than. Okay, so less than CBR1. And here in futures, everything will be a future. Just for a breakout and reversal, both. Very small stop loss. How we can plan for a breakout. So open less than. Open should be less than the Ondego CPR and the close must be greater than. So in this case, open greater than and the close must be less than. So I'm just finding out what I'm looking for. The day where we can get a narrow CPR, that means a very tight in range. So all put together and R1, R2. So we have first condition which I'm looking for this kind of breakout. So about to this, I'm just expecting a breakout. In another one which I'm looking for a red candle which forms at this level, and I'm just looking for a breakout. This is what an R1. So something which I'm going to looking for a trend breakout as well as trend reversal at R1 level, and at the same day I'm looking for a very tight range or a narrow CPR which I'm looking for. Okay, so this is what a back test result which we got it only the same stock I think 11:30. So Nakuri, see, okay, so we got it. Okay, I'm just going to find out such a kind of thing. So I run this now. We need to use here any of this two. I'm just running it. Then we get only Nakuri at 12:30 to maybe a reversal. 12:30 here you can see there is a reversal. From this low I can go for a short, and that CPR level which I'm looking for a um, target from the intraday, but positional that candle I as a stop loss. Here we don't get a open less than or greater than, nothing is happened. So open above and open and closed below the level which is happening. So everything was right. Okay, so what exactly this scanner will help you to find out a breakout as well as trend reversal. So previously Nakuri that was working good. So hope you understood. So what exact looking at by Nakuri. So narrow CPR, the first condition which I'm looking for a very tight range narrow CPR, and this R1, the black line is the R1. So I need to open and open below and close above. After that, I need to focus for a breakout. Here it does not happen. And next condition, open above and close below. That should be red. And I'm going to below this low as a sell and this candle high as a stop. So very smaller stop. And intraday that not given with the target, maybe it came down, but stop loss is not taken as a positional that worked well. Okay, so that is what my exact condition which I'm looking for, and this is what a condition which you have created. And previously, is there any other thing that has happened? 17th be soft. Would you understood to filter out our stocks? Be soft, let's see. 17. You can see this is the thing which I'm looking for. Here is the candle, so very tight CPR, and the breakout, and it is going to move to R2, R3 levels, and even it goes above the same level. If it is broken, so we are going to plan for opportunity for a reversal, but that is not happen on the same day. So be soft, and this time 17th October Cipla, very low number of stocks, one or two. 17th October, this is what a thing which I'm looking for. Maybe at this candle, the time is around 9:45, maybe this candle, and that high is broken in the low of that particular candle stop loss, and this is what a huge move as a positional. As an intraday, we are looking for a R2 and R3. So this case R2 is reached and finally closed, but that particular candle low, sorry, that particular candle low is not broken. So very minimum stop loss we can find out for a maximum profitable trades. So maybe a breakout, and the next video I can go for a short side. So on support one, so we can create a new one, and this is for a breakout and trend reversal at R1 level. So next scanner we can create a support one, that means CPR S1, S2, S1 levels, same condition which you are used, and the same scanner we can add it, but it will be giving you cut. So here R1 level, I'm just looking for a reversal. I see well the scanner, Narrow Cpr, paste. Okay, so I'll share that scanner on my group. That is what a condition which I'm looking for. And if you are looking at a daily narrow CPR for tomorrow, is about mainly an Hindustan Unilever, which forming a very tight range. Okay, so tomorrow you can look at this tomorrow on a very narrow, tight range in narrow CPR. And most importantly, the BC is always lesser than the TC. So that is what very important. Okay. And if you are hiding this condition, you will be getting a lot of stocks in the same condition, but the normal CPR one which I'm looking for. So GNFC also be very tight, but in this case, GNFC, TC is less than and BC is greater than. So GNFC also and Ashok Leyland. So these are all very tight range, narrow CPR. Maybe the same stock which we can use for tomorrow, either R1 breakout and a reversal. I hope you understood and enjoyed this video. And if video you find useful, just like this video. And if you liked it, you share to your friends. And if you have any questions and doubt, just comment on the comment box below. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing the channel. Thank you for your subscription and subscribing the channel. Thank you, sir.